What's up, guys? Charles here. The budget GPU market experienced a significant shift with the Intel Arc B580, a $250 1440p champion capable of 60 FPS ray tracing. Sure, you'll need to lower settings a bit in some games, but this is a major win for Intel. However, the Arc B580 suffers from a considerable performance drop when paired with budget CPUs, which incidentally are what most people would use with this graphics card. Additionally, you'll have a hard time finding one in stock, let alone at the 250 MSRP. Therefore, budget gamers who can't wait for driver fixes are seeking alternatives. And fortunately, there are three standout graphics cards available for around the same price and performance as the Arc B580. Number 1. RX 6750XT. AMD's RDNA 2 series may be a bit dated, but it still offers several GPUs with excellent price-to-performance ratios, with the RX 6750XT being the standout choice. This mid-range graphics card launched with an MSRP of $549 in 2022, but it is now available for around $360. At this price, it is likely cheaper than any Arc GPU you can find in stock, making it a highly recommended option. In terms of performance, the RX 6750XT is approximately 20% faster than the Arc, delivering not only great results for 1080p OB gaming, but also decent performance for 1440p gaming. There is no significant performance drop when pairing the AMD card with budget or older processors, so there's no need to upgrade your CPU. Additionally, AMD's FSR 3.1 technology is fully supported on the RX 6000 series GPUs, providing advantages in upscaling and frame generation. The RX 6750XT comes with 12 gigabytes of VRAM, which is the same amount found in the Arc. Overall, you are making an investment of around $360 in a mid-range powerhouse that performs well above its class. Number 2, RX 7600. The RX 7600 is available for significantly less than the Arc B580, offering performance comparable to it. Built on the RDNA 3 architecture, it falls short of the RX 6750XT and struggles at 1440p due to its 8 gigabytes of VRAM. However, if you're focused on 1080p gaming, the RX 7600 provides excellent value without the performance overhead of the Arc B580. At $249, the RX 7600 is a better choice than the Arc B580 at $250, especially when paired with a weaker CPU. If you're looking to spend under $300 on a graphics card, the RX 7600 is the wiser option unless Intel resolves its performance drop issues, which seems unlikely. Number 3, RTX 4060. Budget GPUs are not the best options for showcasing ray tracing, as the performance drop can lead to a suboptimal experience. However, if you're determined to achieve better ray tracing performance without spending $500, the RTX 4060 priced around $300 is a decent choice. It features 8 gigabytes of VRAM, which is limited, but its ray tracing performance in demanding titles surpasses that of its AMD counterparts. In terms of raw rasterized performance, the RTX 4060 is approximately 15 to 20% slower than the RX 6750XT and about 10% slower than the Arc B580. That's it for today's video. Consider subscribing for the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.